Time flies when you're having fun and working hard.
In June, Curaçao Cares is celebrating their second anniversary already.
It's been two challenging but wonderful years, where we've met amazing community partners and volunteers who work to the benefit of our community.
In honor of our second anniversary, we want to thank
You! We were able to launch in June 2013 after just 7 months of planning and setting up the organization because of your advice, your dedication, and your support. Our milestones are also your milestones. 5,000 volunteers mobilized, 87 companies participating with their employees in projects or events, and over 158 NGOs supported, and 30,000 volunteers hours and counting.
Your continued support helped us connect people and organizations, bridge the gap, and inspire people to get involved.
We have witnessed daily that Curaçao does care, and it's been just 2 years. We're now just taking our first few steps as an organization.
Our goal is to continue leveraging time, talent, and skills, voice of our citizens, and promote action.
Why? Because we all should care. Thank you.
Danki.
Thank you, Al.
We look forward to continuing our partnership with BearingPoint Caribbean.